Hello and welcome to GWiz Academy. In this video, we will be seeing how to create MySQL databases and manage its users. So it's a complete 4-step process and it will be completed in one go. So first would be create a new database and then create a new database user and then assign a user to the created database and then assign the user privileges. So let's get started. First of all, log into your cPanel account. As soon as you log in, scroll down and search for MySQL database wizard. So click on, please make sure that it is a wizard and not just MySQL databases. We can see already created databases and over here we can create a new database. Okay, so click on MySQL databases wizard. Step 1 is create a database. So we are going to give a database name over here. Okay, let me give tutorial. Okay, so we have given a created a database name. Now click on next step. Now we are going to assign the users to it. For example, the user says like YouTube, for example, YouTube database user, and give a password. Okay, let's make a strong password and click on create user. So remember this username and password. Over here we are going to give the privileges. So okay, in a case where you already know what privileges to assign to this database user, you can select individually, or if you don't know, just click on all privileges. Okay, and click on next step. Then we have successfully created the database. In order to check if the database is created or no, let's move forward and see. Go to phpmysql. Perfect. Over here you can see a database has been created with the name db tutorial. Done. So yeah, it is such a simple task. If you have any doubt, please let me know and please subscribe to GWiz Academy. Thank you.